Not only is this house affordable, but it is also spacious. From the living area to the kitchen, even to the guest room, all spacious. Beautiful people, welcome to my channel. And today I will be touring this affordable 4-bedroom duplex with a BQ located right inside a very secured and a call to access estate here in Sangotedo. The neighborhood here is habitable, so it is a place that you can live conveniently. We have notable landmarks within where this estate is located. ShopRite Novarimo is not far from here. The Lagos Business School, Abraham Adesoya is also very close to this place. We have Blanco Supermarket, Sky Mall. We have businesses here, religious centers according to your preferences. What I'm saying in essence is that everything you need to live conveniently, they are all within your reach. Now, in a couple of seconds, I'll be going inside to show you the interior of this house. I'll also give you a glimpse of what the neighborhood looks like. So we'll literally start this video from the entrance of this house all the way down. We'll also move around the compound. So you have to watch this to the end. I know you are eager to know how much this house is selling for. So this 4-bedroom duplex with BQ is in the market for 155 million naira. There can be a slight negotiation on the price, but we'll get to talk about that when you call. It has the title of governor's consent and also has its building approval. Now you can see from this video that the compound space can take up to 3 cars. I don't want to say 4 cars so that it will not look like I'm exaggerating, but conveniently 3 cars can fit into this place. Now this is very rare. Most of the houses that come within this price range, they don't have this much parking space. The more reason why you have to grab this really fast. We have just 2 units available. We had 4 units. 2 units are gone. We have only 2 units as of today, as of this moment. I can't promise you what will happen the next minute. So if you love what you see at the end of this video, give us a call immediately. And if this does not fit into what you want, you can also reach out to us. We also have other houses. We have land selling, and some of them come with payment plan. Now, before I flip this camera to tour this property with you, if this is your first time coming across my channel, welcome. It is such a delight to grace your screen today. My name is Victoria Chizobadraku. I have such a beautiful family here on YouTube that we are growing together, and we would love to have you as part of us. So all I'm saying is that you're watching this video, please take this moment to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a video here. Now, having done that, please be my guest as I flip this camera and we tour this property together while I give you more information. Promise me you watch this video to the end because you're definitely going to love this house. This might just put an end to your long-term house hunting. All right, let's get started with the business of the day. Come along. All right, beautiful people, welcome back. Now, this is the unit we would be inspecting, but let me just give you a quick view at what the neighborhood looks like. I told you I was going to give you a view of the surroundings so you get to see that it is habitable. You see, the road is interlocked, good drainage system. So, regarding that, it is a good to go. All right, so let's go in. Now, like I said earlier, the front units are all sold out. We only have the ones at the back available. And also, like I said earlier, this is a compound space and it can take up to 3 cars conveniently. 3 cars can fit in here conveniently. You can see there's also a carport right here. And we have security lights by the side of the wall. Okay, let's go in. So what we're going to be doing is before I go in, let me just take you around the compound first so you get to see what the surrounding looks like. But here's a better view of the building. So we have just this unit available and the one beside it, only 2 of them. So if you love what you see, I'm saying it again, give us a call immediately. You can see there's a CCTV right here. There's a CCTV right there. Okay. There's a tap here and then there's another one at the back. The walkway to the back of the house is spacious enough, and this gives you access to the kitchen. And then this is the BQ. This is our BQ. Okay, this is the full size of the BQ. The BQ is small, yes. The rooms inside the house are spacious enough, but to be honest, this BQ is small. But then again, we can still make do with it. A student size bed can still fit into this BQ. Okay. All right. There's another tap right here. Okay, and then see the size of the back of the house. It is spacious. This is what the walkway looks like. And we have two CCTVs right at the back. Remember, I showed you one in front. And I also love the fact that there's enough space in between um, the buildings behind it. And there's also space with the one beside it. But we have more space at the one behind it. So you can be sure of proper ventilation right here. Okay, let's keep going. I'm moving around the compound so that you get to see the property in its full form. I like to show you everything about the house, not only the interior, so that irrespective of the distance, you can see the property very well even before you come for inspection. That's why I'm taking my time to do all of this. Okay, so we have like four CCTV cameras around the compound. All right, now let's go in. Now the door has a smart lock. So if you don't want to use the manual key, you can just use a passcode on it. All right, let's see the size of the living area first. This is the size of it. You see the space, the size of the living area is not bad enough for 155 million naira. Trust me, I've seen some houses within this neighborhood within the same price range, and I know how the sizes of their rooms looks like. So if I tell you that this is good enough, take it from me. Right here is where you can have your dining area, just by the staircase right here. Okay, and then to this angle is where we have the toilets for the guests. Guest toilet right here. There's a wash hand sink here. And we have quite a number of windows here. There's another one here, so you can be sure of proper ventilation. We have inbuilt speakers. I'm trying to look out for a CCTV. Beautiful. We have a CCTV camera right here. Inbuilt speaker. This house is really good enough for this price. And like I said, we can have a slight negotiation when you give us a call. We can have a slight negotiation on a slight reduction on the price. Now, what I'm showing you are smart devices that you can use for the inbuilt speakers. There's no light right now, otherwise you would have seen them on. So there can be a slight reduction on the price. You tell us your offer, and we'll see how we can work with that. So this is the kitchen. You can see the kitchen is also spacious. Let me stand at this angle. This will give you a better view of the size of the kitchen. Let me stand here. Is this even doing justice to it? This is the full size of it. Let me also stand at this angle. Okay, I think this is better. You see the kitchen is spacious. You have enough space to move around freely. Now let's begin to explore. What we have here, we have a CCTV up there. We have inbuilt speaker here. We have a tabletop gas burner here, extractor, microwave, oven. We have the sink right here. Okay, and then we have the space for your refrigerator and quite enough cabinetries for storage. We have several cabinetries for storage right here. Okay, you can also fix your washing machine right here. This is designated for that. See, they've also fixed the socket for you and all of that. All right, let's keep exploring. This right here is the guest room. See the size of the guest room. See the wardrobe. Inbuilt speaker is also here, and then toilet and bath. 4-bedroom duplex with a BQ located inside an estate in Sangotedo. Now, one good thing about this location is that from this estate is close to Abramade Sonya. And I think this staircase has a motion sensor light, but because there's no light, I can't see that. But with what I can see here, this is the motion sensor light. So maybe when we come for inspection, hopefully there will be light here. They'll turn on the light for us and then we'll get a better view of it. So as I was saying, this is the family lounge I'm about to show you now. This is the family lounge right here. So you can access, this estate is close to Abramade Sonya. Let me give a better description for people who are not very familiar with this neighborhood. If you're coming from the Lekki axis, when you get to Chevron, after Chevron, wow, I am so impressed. I'm sorry, I'm just keeping what I've been saying, but I'm so impressed. Just see the size of this room. I don't know if this video is doing justice to it, but this is spacious, and I bet you this is not even the master's bedroom. This is very spacious. Beautiful people, if you are out looking for affordable properties, grab this one fast. Take it from me. Grab this one fast. No wonder we only have 2 units remaining. This is spacious. This is spacious. So as I was saying, if you're coming from the Lekki axis, after Chevron, you get to Orchid. After Orchid is Ikota. After Ikota is Aja. Um, After Ikota, sorry, VGC, then Aja, then um, we have Sangotedo. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is even more spacious than the one I just came out from. This house is giving. It's giving. See the wardrobe. This house is giving. Don't let someone else buy this house before you do. So if you this is close to the Ibramadesera roundabout, and from Ibramadesera you can access Ogombo Road and then link to the coastal road. So it literally means that you can access the coastal road from this um, estate. It is quite accessible. Okay, we are in now, and then this is the master's bedroom. So let's stand here to get a full size. This is the master's bedroom. Okay, from this angle as well. This is it from this angle. I think this is showing the size much better. All right, wardrobe area here. Inbuilt speaker as well, and then toilet and bath here. Wow, see the size of the, and then toilet and bath here. See the size of the walk-in shower. Let me stand here so you see how spacious it is. See. And then there's also a bathtub right here. All right, so this is what we have. 4-bedroom duplex with the BQ, 155 million naira with the governor's consent as a title, located inside an estate, a secured estate here in Sangotedo, Lekki, Lagos, very close to Abramadesoya. All right. For further inquiries, kindly contact us on the number displayed on your screen. Remember, just 2 units available as of this moment. You cannot tell what will happen the next minute. So give us a call to schedule an inspection. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do not leave without doing that. If you've watched this video to this point, trust me, I am literally smiling while saying this. Thank you so much for doing this with me. Till I come your way next time. My name is Victoria, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay amazing, and I'll see you in my next video. Do not also forget to reach out to us if this does not fit into what you want. Remember, we have other properties. We also have land selling at different locations. Bye.